Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for November 16 to 30, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Ayan. Pa-follow, like na rin ang aking Facebook and TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And for you, Taurus, so ito ang inyong bracelet. Ayan. So this is moss agate, rhodonite, and green aventurine na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Taurus. So this is available na sa packaging na naka-box. Nandito yung information sa likod. Ayan. So, meron tayong black and meron din tayong white. Ayan. Black and white. So, maganda siya pang regalo kasi mas presentable siya. And, of course, available pa rin naman yung naka-pouch for your personal use. But, kung magre-regalo kayo, ayan, maganda siya. Maganda siyang idea na regalo sa inyong mga loved ones, friends. So, this is available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description if you are interested. Get your Taurus bracelet now. Okay, kumusta kayo, Taurus? How's your week? Medyo na busy tayo, no? So, tingnan natin yung energies for you, Taurus. November 16 to 30 for Taurus. What is up, Taurus? You have the 9 of Wands. Pagod na kayo, Taurus. You have been fighting. Pero sobrang lakas ninyo kasi you are the one remain standing. Ayun o, makikita mo, ikaw na lang yung nakatayo dyan. Lahat sila sumurrender na. So, ganun ka kalakas. Okay, you are very, very, very power. O, diba? Oh my God, this really makes sense to know. Strength card. Ganun ka kalakas. And then, strength card appears. So, para kayong galing sa battle. Oo. Kaguluhan. Oo. Pero, meron kang pinaglaban. Pinaglaban mo yung karapatan mo, pinaglaban mo yung mahal mo, pinaglaban mo yung mga pananaw mo sa buhay. So, now, you are even stronger. Yung kanta ni Stronger Than Yesterday, o diba? By Britney Spears. Now I'm stronger. Alam niyo na yun. So, you have the 3 of Pentacles. This is focusing on your growth pagdating sa career, sa business. Oo, you may be collaborating with some people. Meron kang mga kausap ngayon. Lalo na kung nasa business ka, Taurus. You are focusing on making your business or career or your finances na mag-grow. Pwede you are also thinking about investments. Oh, you have the Death card. Transformation, new beginning. May ending rin. Okay? So, this can be related sa career mo. Meron kang tatapusin na career or meron kang iiwanang career for a new opportunity. Oo. O, diba? Nakakaloka. Alam nyo, I think for the collective, marami talaga ngayon nagkakaroon ng transformation changes. Kasi sa collective talaga, maraming nag-awaken, maraming nare-realize yung kanilang power. And by realizing their own power, na-realize na nila kaya pala nilang baguhin yung buhay nila nang hindi umaasa sa iba. Alam niyo yun? So, for you, Taurus, you are about to change your life in a major way na kung saan it's like you're going to sing your own song, yung sarili mong style na hindi mo kailangang i-follow ang isang tao para gayahin or gawin yung landas rin na tinatahak niya. You have your own path na sarili mo, ikaw yung nagke-create. So yung iba pwedeng meron kayong susubukang business or a new job, a new career na mas aligned sa inyong galing, sa inyong talino, o 'di ba? You have the Queen of Pentacles, this is your energy, and the Six of Pentacles. Grabe. This is a great flow of money, no? So some of you Taurus, you will experience a balance and harmony and harmonious balanced and harmonious flow of your money, your finances. Ito yung tipong meron kang gagastusin, pero pag nakagastos ka, meron naman papasok, 'di ba? Na income. So, you are very resourceful as well, no? Yung iba sa inyo, stay-at-home mom or stay-at-home parent, pero meron din kayong sarili ninyong pinagkakakitaan. Alam mo yun, you have this power to provide for your family's needs. Enough rin para makatulong kayo sa iba. Kasi the more na tumutulong rin kayo sa iba, the more na pinagpapala kayo, mas may blessing. Oo. And kung kailan nyo ito mapapanood, no, moving forward, pag meron kayo nakikita ng mga humihingi sa inyo or namamalimos, kahit magkano abutan nyo kasi meron yung good karma. Okay? Let's see what else. You have the Seven of Cups. Overwhelming yung mga options sa inyo. Yung ba sa inyo maraming attracted sa inyo? Nagkakaroon ng nagkakagusto. Oo. Maraming may interest. Pero be careful kasi hindi lahat yan maganda yung intention sa inyo. Okay? Oo. So, some of you naman, naghahanap ng bagong bahay na malilipatan or mayroon kayong gustong property na bilhin, pwedeng lupa, bahay. And maraming ino-offer sa inyo ngayon ng mga options. So, be careful kung alin din yung options na yon. Kasi hindi lahat magandang deal for you. So, wag agad-agad na susunggab sa isang deal. Mag-ano ka pa, ang tawag doon, mag-canvas ka pa, kumbaga. Oo. But eventually, you will get the best for you. Meron ding celebration dito, may pagsasama-sama, pagsasalo-salo with your family members. Uy, may engagement. Yung iba sa inyo may papasukin kayong commitment or kontrata. No? Pwedeng romantic connection, pwede rin kontrata sa trabaho. You have a water carrier, so humanitarian. Yes, you're being asked na to share, no? To give back to people. Lalo na kung ikaw ay masyadong binibless ngayon. Share your blessings kasi lalo kang ibibless ng universe. Ayan, binibigyan ka ngayon ng strength talaga, lakas. You are honing your skills. Yung iba sa inyo, mas lalo niyong ginagalingan or pinapagaling yung mga kaalaman niyo. Parang mas lalo niyong minamaster yung inyong existing knowledge and skills. Wow, you're very powerful. Yes. Meron ditong thunderstorm. Ayan. There's also an energy shift for you. Pwedeng meron kang sudden realization of your true power and then hindi mo na hayaan na i-control ka ng iba. Oo. Kasi alam mo, kilala mo yung sarili mo, kilala mo na yung mga kakayanan mo. And you are going to overcome yung mga challenges na kakaharapin mo na may kinalaman sa pagbabago na nangyayari sa buhay mo. The power to heal the earth is within you. Oh my God. Some of you, Taurus, you are healers. Oo, meron kayong kakayanan na i-heal ang energy ng ibang tao. Pwedeng literal, nasa medical field kayo. Yung iba naman, energy healer, spiritual healer, or just even your presence also heals other people. You are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. Yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, you are very spiritual. Some of you are psychic. Some of you maaring mas tumataas or nag-i-increase yung inyong spiritual knowledge, no? So, that's part of the transformation na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon or you will experience. Use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. Ayan. So, sinasabi ng universe dito na pagkatiwalaan mo yung mga decisions mo, lalo na kung alam mo na you are tapped into your instinct, to your intuition. Kasi, tama naman yung mga magiging decisions mo. Kasi meron kang kailangang pagdesisyonan right away na hindi mo kailangan maging analytical or logical, but this is about you knowing na alam mo talaga kung ano yung best, ano yung makakabuti para sa'yo. Okay? You have that knowledge and power. So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.